But there is another gas, far more silent, far more potent, slowly destabilizing our planet. That gas is methane. Methane doesn't linger as long as carbon dioxide, but during its short lifespan, it is over 80 times more effective at trapping heat. Every unnoticed leak, every plume rising from landfills, pipelines, and livestock farms is quietly accelerating climate change. You cannot see it rising from melting permafrost, nor hear it seeping from neglected oil wells. But its impact is real. The danger lies in how rapidly it can destabilize ecosystems and contribute to ground-level ozone formation. Ignoring methane is not a gap in conversation, it is a gap in survival strategy. To confront global warming honestly, we must bring this invisible enemy into full view.
Methane is among the most dangerous villains of climate change, responsible for a significant portion of near-term warming. Methane enters the atmosphere through agriculture, natural gas production, and decomposing waste. Unlike carbon dioxide, methane has a shorter atmospheric lifespan, so reducing its emissions can yield immediate climate benefits. If left unchecked, methane accelerates global warming, triggering ice sheet melt and extreme weather. Technologies like methane capture, improved livestock management, and leak detection can cut emissions effectively. Every time we reduce methane, we slow global warming and protect biodiversity. We owe it to ourselves and the planet to fight methane with urgency, intelligence, and determination. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine a gas you cannot see or smell but that can disrupt the delicate balance of life on Earth. That is methane. Methane is a greenhouse gas far more potent than carbon dioxide, responsible for warming our planet at alarming rates. Human activity has accelerated methane emissions. Livestock farming, fossil fuel extraction, and landfills release millions of tons annually. The consequences extend beyond rising temperatures. Methane alters ecosystems in subtle yet catastrophic ways. In wetlands, excess methane can change microbial activity, impacting nutrient cycles that sustain plants and animals. In oceans, methane-induced warming reduces oxygen levels, affecting fish and other aquatic life. Forests, which act as carbon sinks, experience stress, weakening their ability to combat climate change. To protect ecosystems, we must implement effective mitigation strategies, transition to sustainable agriculture, improve waste management, and monitor and repair methane leaks from energy infrastructure. Public awareness is equally crucial. Understanding methane's hidden threat is the first step toward action. Every effort to reduce methane emissions safeguards ecosystems, preserves biodiversity, and stabilizes climate systems. The invisible enemy is powerful, but human ingenuity and commitment can overcome it.
Honorable guests, the invisible enemy, methane, is largely a byproduct of human activity. Livestock farming releases methane through enteric fermentation, landfills emit methane as organic waste decomposes. This human influence has intensified a natural process, accelerating global warming at an unprecedented pace. Methane's high heat-trapping capacity contributes significantly to rising temperatures, leading to melting glaciers and extreme storms. Ecosystems, finely balanced over millennia, struggle to adapt, leading to reduced biodiversity. Reducing methane emissions through renewable energy and efficient livestock management can yield immediate benefits. International collaboration and local initiatives are vital. As individuals, we can support sustainable consumption. Methane is invisible, but the actions we take can have visible, transformative effects.
Methane is an invisible but formidable enemy, silently accelerating the warming of our planet. Unlike carbon dioxide, methane traps over 25 times more heat per molecule in the atmosphere over a century. Consequences are painfully visible: rising temperatures, melting glaciers, and frequent storms, all linked to methane's heat-trapping effect. Human activities are largely responsible: livestock farming, landfills, fossil fuel extraction, and gas leaks contribute significantly. Solutions include capturing methane, repairing leaks, adopting sustainable practices, and shifting to cleaner energy sources. Every ton of methane reduced today impacts slowing global warming. Our collective response can be transformative.